This channel you guys are seeing on your screen right now was actually created by me 3 or 4 days ago. If I'm not mistaken, I came right on this particular channel to announce to you guys that, guys, we now have a gist channel. And guess what? We have over 50 watch hours. Don't worry, I'm going to explain how I was able to achieve this, There is a secret to it. There is a way. Like, looking at the fact that this is actually a new channel. And let me even tell you guys something. Prior to when I created the channel, the email was not in existence. So that is to tell you that I just created the email. It's a new, fresh email. Then, and I created the channel. When it comes to YouTube, if you are starting newly like that, YouTube usually take its time, to process before they'll start recommending your videos to people to watch, especially when you're just starting new. But if you already have your email created, or if you have your YouTube channel created, but you have not started creating content, when you start creating content, it is treated differently. You understand? Or maybe if you have been, interacting with other people, liking, commenting, sharing, then you now decide to create your own email account. Like I say email, create your own YouTube account. It is actually treated way better and way differently than someone that is just starting out with a new email. The same day I created the email was the same day I created the channel, and was the same day I actually created the first video. And guess what? Like, I've not even used the channel to interact, to like, to comment, to share. Like, this is just brand new. And it should have given me a very hard time. But guess what? I made use of a particular feature that a lot of you are actually overlooking. Like, you guys don't really know the power of what you have. You guys don't know the power of what you have, guys. Do you know what I actually used to get this? Drum rolls. Guys, I use the collaboration method. Look at my number of subscribers. Even though yet it has not gotten to 1,000 subscribers, there are actually strategies that I can use to get the 1,000 subscribers. But I decide to stick with this collaboration just to be able to get these results first, because I want to make this video to show you that there is power in collaboration. Like, aside from the fact that I'm actually consistent in my upload, if you notice for that particular channel, ever since I created it, it is just like 3 or 4 days ago, I've been posting every single day, like one video daily on that particular channel. And I plan on doing a 30-day challenge on that particular channel. Maybe after like 30 days, I can then re-strategize to posting like three times a week, or, depending, but not like, it's not be every day again. But just from now to 30 days, the plan is to post at least every single day, like once every single day till it's 30th day. That being said, I actually collaborated that particular channel with my other channels, like 2 of my other channels. And guess what? That's where my views came from. And that's where my watch hour also came from. And also that's where my subscribers came from. Because imagine a new channel, like the highest view I should be getting, because I'm just starting out. I've not even interacted. Like, YouTube does not even know if I'm a robot yet, because I've not proven to YouTube, like, I've not even gained their trust. Like I said, it's a new channel. I've not been commenting. I've not been liking. I've not done anything at all. Fresh. Siaroba or Chara. Straight from the carton. And yet I've been having views, that is the power of collaboration that I want you guys to emulate. If you want to get your channel, you want to get subscribers, you want to get watch hours super fast, and you want to do it the right way organically, you don't want bots, you want real people, just try and do collaborations. Reach out to people in your niche. It is not hard. This thing is not hard. Reach out to people that are in your niche. There are some people that reach out to me. They are not in my niche. It will not really make sense like that. Where is this fly coming from? It will not really, go well. Just reach out to someone that is in your niche. Then collaborate with them, because you guys definitely have the same audience. I know you guys will be thinking that, but this particular channel that I actually linked up, they are in different niche. Why did I link them together? I linked them together because I am the same person in chat. There are some people that would love me, that are watching End with Nneka right now, that they love my personality, they love me, and they would love to see other of my channels. You understand? So because I am the owner of the channel, if I'm doing food, if I'm doing comedy, if I'm doing tutorial, if I'm doing whatever niche, if I link everything together, there is no problem with it because I am the same person, you understand, and I am the owner of all the channels, so I can link it. But me reaching out right now to someone that is in another niche, maybe someone that is in the tech niche right now, maybe someone that is doing tech, then me, I'm doing this tutorial, then I should now reach out to the person that let's collaborate. It won't go well, it won't gel well, you understand, because we have different audiences. So try as much as possible, reach out to people that are in your niche. There is potential in collaboration. So I hope you guys are actually going to start using the collaboration tool to, skyrocket your videos. And also, guys, before I conclude this particular video, there is a very big, huge announcement coming up, which is going to be coming out in the confession part 3. I have waited so long to make this particular video. In fact, I'm so happy to announce that confession part 3 is coming out, guys. It's coming out. I can't wait to announce it to you guys because it's a huge one. Yeah, so watch out for confession part 3. Like, this year is really starting out good and nice, and fluffy and yeah, guys. So without any further ado, please do well to hit on the like button, do well to subscribe, and do well to share. Watch out for confession part 3. Bye, guys.